Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change wiper blades Hyundai Ioniq, only ways. Start by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and turn off the ignition to avoid accidental wiper movement. Then lift the wiper arm carefully straight out until it locks up off the glass. Check the blade connector type and compare it to your replacement to ensure fit and compatibility before removal. Begin by rotating the blade so you can see the connector's release tab clearly. Press the tab while pulling the blade assembly down and away from the wiper arm hook until it disengages. Keep a hand on the wiper arm to control its movement and avoid it striking the windshield, then set the old blade aside for proper disposal or recycling. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and tap like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is a tiny miracle that makes your car smell great and hides that wet wiper odor after cleaning your windshield. I find a fresh scent makes maintenance feel nicer, and you can grab one from the description along with other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position the replacement blade so its connector matches the hook orientation on the arm. Slide the blade upward into the hook until you hear or feel a secure click indicating the lock engaged. Carefully lower the arm back onto the windshield, then start the ignition and test the wipers on low and high speed to confirm smooth contact and streak-free wiping performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.